Hey Turbo Trendz fam. Today we're diving into a legend reborn, the 2025 Porsche 912. This is where heritage meets modern innovation, and trust me, you're going to want to see what makes this car a standout in Porsche's lineup. Let's break it down: design, performance, features, and everything that screams Porsche perfection. Let's roll. Exterior. Let's start with the first thing that grabs you: the design. The 2025 Porsche 912 is a perfect homage to the original 912 from the 1960s, but reimagined for the future. Check out this retro modern silhouette, those iconic rounded headlights, the sloping roofline, and of course this stunning. But it's not just about looks. Every curve is engineered for aerodynamic efficiency. Porsche's engineers added active aero elements, including a dynamic rear spoiler, making this beauty as functional as it is stunning. Plus, these 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in ultra-grippy Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Yeah, that's performance styling at its finest. Interior. Stepping inside, it's all about that perfect blend of retro vibes and cutting-edge tech. Check out these analog-style gauges, classic Porsche, but with a digital twist. And this 10.9-inch infotainment screen, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Porsche's proprietary navigation system. But what really stands out is the minimalist design. Porsche kept it simple: leather, aluminum, and just the right amount of carbon fiber. And these seats? Supportive, comfortable, and perfect for both long road trips and track days. Not to mention, the 2025 912 is equipped with Porsche's cutting-edge safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Performance now. Let's talk performance, the heart of every Porsche. The 2025 912 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, delivering a punchy 300 horsepower and 280 lb-ft of torque. And while it might not sound like much compared to its big siblings like the 911, this baby is all about balance. That flat 4 gives it a low center of gravity, and paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, or Porsche's legendary PDK, this thing absolutely sings on twisty roads. 0 to 60 in just 4.9 seconds. Not bad for a modern interpretation of a classic. And the handling? Precise. You've got Porsche active suspension management as standard, giving you razor-sharp control whether you're cruising on the highway or attacking corners on a mountain pass. The 2025 Porsche 912 is a car that celebrates Porsche's heritage while looking firmly toward the future. If you're a purist looking for a Porsche that's all about the joy of driving, this might just be your next obsession. So, what do you think? Is the 912 a worthy addition to Porsche's lineup? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Turbo Trendz TV for more epic reviews.